In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Berner Industrier AB, ticker BERNERB.ST. Berner Industrier AB is an industrial manufacturer and its shares trade on CBOE. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BERNERB.ST to locate the stock listing. Confirm you have selected the correct Berner Industrier AB entry on the results page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the stock. Double-check the company details and ticker to confirm this is the right share to trade. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.